Good morning, students. Today in this third lecture, third video of chapter number 15, standard 7 SS, I am going to discuss the small question answers. Once again I repeat, standard 7 SS, chapter number 15, and today it is the third lecture, third video. My dear student, in my first and second lecture, I explained the chapter. Now we are discussing the question answers. First one is, what is democracy? What is democracy? What is meant by democracy? My dear student, last year we learned this question. Again, this year also we are going to learn this thing. Okay, what is the definition of democracy? That is necessary. Okay, my dear student, last year I said according to the former US President Abraham Lincoln, according to the former President of America Abraham Lincoln, he gave the definition of democracy. What he said? Democracy is the rule. Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. Once again I repeat, according to former US President, according to former US President Abraham Lincoln, okay, what he gave the definition? Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. Once again, democracy is the rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. Got it? So that is the definition of democracy. Next question. Next question. Who gets a right? Who gets a right to vote? Okay. Who gets the right? Everybody cannot vote. Okay. Everybody cannot vote. Okay. Suppose I am born in India, so I can vote. My dear students, certain things are there. Okay. Certain things are there, and by fulfilling certain terms and conditions, okay, we can go for voting. Okay, so who gets a right to vote? Answer: every citizen of India, but terms and conditions: above the age of 18 years, above the age of 18 years, or 18 or more than 18 years. Okay, all the citizens, see, every citizen of India above the ages of 18 years or 18 years get a right to vote. It means 18 years or more than 18. Two conditions are there: 18 years and more than 18 years. Okay, they can vote. But next, the most important thing, his or her name should be in voter list. It should be registered. Okay, if your name is not there, though you are 30 or 50 years old, but your name is not there in the list of voter, you cannot vote. That is also necessary. So a person who has completed 18 years or more than 18, and second thing, his name should be, okay, must be in the list of voters, then only he can go for voting. So every citizen of India above the age of 18 years, or 18 years get a right to vote. Got it? Now third question. What is necessary for the overall development of an individual? What is necessary? What is important for the overall development of an individual? My dear student, what is important? Okay, which things are necessary, important for the overall development of an individual? Answer comes: for the overall development of the individual. For the overall development of the individual, it is necessary to exercise the right. It is necessary Okay, it is necessary. What is? To exercise the right to equality. Right to equality should be equal. Okay, equal opportunities can be given. To exercise the right to equality properly without any discrimination. Once again, to exercise the right to equality. To exercise the right to equality properly without any discrimination on the basis of religion, language, gender, race, color or place of birth. Okay, so there should not be discrimination. Each and everyone should get equal opportunities. Okay, and there should not be discrimination on religion, language, gender, race, color and place of birth. And if you are having these kind of things in your mind, it means that is not equality. So okay, first we should have equality. Okay, and how? Properly without any discrimination. Then only my dear student, we can see the overall development of an individual. Okay, got it? So what is necessary for the overall development of an individual? Answer comes, for the overall development of the individual, it is necessary to exercise the right to equality. To exercise the right to equality properly without any discrimination on the basis of religion, language, gender, race, color or place of birth. Got it? My dear student, next question is, what is equality? In my first lecture, in my first video, I said what is equality. Okay, I explained. So what is, question is, what is equality? The answer, equality means all are equal and respectable. All are equal and respectable. Dear students, my next question is, why has constitution been drafted? Why we have made our own constitution? Question is, why has constitution been drafted? Why it was made? Okay, my dear student, when I explained the chapter that time, I said for the smooth administration. For the smooth administration, our constitution has been drafted. Okay, so why has constitution been drafted? Answer is, India is the vast and diverse country. India is the vast, means very big. Okay, India is a big and diverse country with the largest democracy. Okay, India is the vast means big and diverse country with the large democracy in the world. Okay, we have maximum number of voters. In India, we have maximum number of voters. Okay, so and therefore, because of that only, for the proper management, of the country, constitution has been drafted. Once again, I repeat. Okay, India is a big country. India is a big means vast country and diverse means a different diversities are there. Okay, on the with the largest democracy, in the world, and for the proper management. Okay, for the proper management of the country, constitution has been drafted. Got it? Next one. Which is the smallest unit and the largest unit? Which is the smallest unit and largest unit of democracy of our country? Which is the smallest unit and largest unit of democracy of our country? My dear student, when I explained the chapter that time, I said democracy, what is important? Elections. My dear student, general elections are held in our country after 5 years. Okay, from village panchayat till parliament we have election. Okay, we have election of gram panchayat, taluka panchayat, district panchayat, municipality, municipal corporation, vidhan sabha, okay, and even parliament also. So that is why the smallest unit is called village panchayat, gram panchayat, and the largest, biggest one, that is called parliament. Okay, so which is the smallest unit and the largest unit of democracy of our country? And answer is the smallest unit of democracy. The smallest unit of democracy of our country is gram panchayat for the election of sarpanch. Okay, gram panchayat. Okay, so the smallest unit of democracy of our country is gram panchayat, and the largest unit is parliament, that is election of Lok Sabha. Election of Lok Sabha. The smallest unit gram panchayat, and the largest unit, that is called parliament. What right do all children of India have? Okay, what right, okay, do all children of India have? My dear student, free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education. That is the main thing. Okay, so what right do all children of India have? Answer: all children of India. All children of India have the right to free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education from the age of 6 to 14 years. Okay, free and compulsory education from the age of 6 to 14 years. Got it? That is most important. Schooling. Okay. Next question is, for whom does the election commission? For whom does the election commission provides special facilities at polling station? Okay, when we go for the voting now, there special facilities are given to whom? Okay, so for whom does the election commission provides giving certain facilities? Provides special facilities where? At polling station, when we go for a voting that time. Okay, so for whom? That is for the physical handicapped person, and as well as for the women. Okay, for the women and for the person who are disabled, means physically handicapped. Okay, so the election commission provides special facilities to women. Special facilities to women and differently able persons at polling station. My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn long question answers. Thank you.